Welcome to Voice of Truth. Today, we explore one of the greatest questions ever asked. Who is God? Many people believe in God, but still struggle to understand His true nature. If your picture of God has ever felt unclear, this message will bring clarity. Your thoughts, your emotions, your fears, your decisions, all of them are shaped by how you see God. A distorted picture leads to a distorted life. But when you see God clearly, everything within you begins to change. God does not want to remain distant or mysterious. He wants to be known personally, deeply, and intimately through His Word and His Spirit. He invites you to seek Him, and He promises that when you seek Him with all your heart, you will find Him. God is not an idea or an energy. He is a personal, living God who invites you into relationship. You can walk with Him, talk to Him, and even know Him as a friend. God is all-powerful. With one command, the universe came into existence. Every star, every galaxy, every breath of life, all created by His Word. Nothing you face is beyond His strength. God is present everywhere. You may feel alone, but you are never truly alone. In your silence and in your struggles, God is with you. His presence is your peace and your strength. God knows everything. He knows your past, your present, your fears, and your future. He wrote your purpose before you were even born. And in every season of your life, He reveals the next step when you seek Him. God is sovereign. No power and no situation can overrule His plan. His will always stands, and His purpose for your life is unshakable. God is holy. His purity and perfection are beyond human language. When you understand His holiness, your heart is filled with awe and reverence. God is truth. He does not just speak truth, He is the truth. Walk with Him, and you will never walk in confusion or darkness. God is righteous. He is always right, and His standards never change. Through His grace, He gives you the power to live a life that reflects Him. God is just. He sees every action and every intention. His judgments are perfect, and nothing done for Him goes unnoticed. God is love. Love is not just something He gives. It is who He is. His love heals, restores, forgives, and transforms the deepest parts of your life. God is merciful. His mercy reaches into your failures and lifts you back up. He restores what was broken and gives you a new beginning. God is faithful. Every promise He has spoken, He will fulfill. He has never failed, and He never will. God never changes. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. His plan for you remains steady, strong, and eternal. When you begin to see God clearly, everything shifts. Your faith grows, your hope rises, and your heart finds peace. If you desire to know Him personally, open your heart. He is closer than you think. If this message touched you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Voice of Truth. May God bless you and guide you always.